Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to know if a channel monetized or not, or I will show you how to check if YouTube channel is monetized or not. So all what you have to do right now is to go to your YouTube and you need to choose the channel that you wanna check. For example, I will search for a channel, for example this. I will click on it, click here, I will copy the link, share, copy, and I will go directly right now to my Google Chrome. And I will search, is this channel monetized? And I will search, and it will showing me like many sites. I will click on the first one that it will show me in this list. Click, and here you will paste the link of the channel that you want to check. Click like this and click check monetization, and as you see, this channel is not monetized. I will do it again with a channel that I know that is monetized. For example, I will just click, for example, this person. I will click and I will copy the link of his channel and click here, share, copy link, and I will go back to this site. I will paste the link here again, click like this, click check monetization, and as you see here, this channel is monetized. So it's showing you like the green screen here, so that means this channel is monetized. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.